Daddy, what you cooking?
Some smothered pork chops.
Oh, they look good.
They smell good.
But can I have a piece?
Hell no.
Okay, fine.
Really? I thought the same thing. We think a lot alike, huh? Come on. That's crazy. Right.
My son's birthday today. He talking about that. Can you take her to the movies? Ma'am, you in a male's bathroom? Why is a female in a male's bathroom?
I think that's it.
So why are we here? Why am I bringing you to this little girl's?
Oh, because I gotta give her the spike.
What?
Yeah, I gotta give her the spike for a science project.
You got left, right, center. You got one.